Hi beautiful viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing good. Today my topic is about women leather outfits. Women leather outfits have long held a special place in the world of fashion, effortlessly combining classical sophistication with a hint of rebellion, from iconic leather jackets to a stylish dresses and skirts. These embellishments continue to captivate fashion enthusiasts with their timeless allure. The versatility of leather known for its simple texture and luxurious feel, transcends seasonal trends, make it a staple in every fashion-forward woman's wardrobe. Its versatility allows for a wide range of styles, from the sleek, sophisticated to the daring and edgy. Perhaps the most iconic of all leather pieces, the classic leather jacket is a symbol of cool confidence. To be symmetrical zippers or tailored blazers, these wardrobe essential adds an instant edge of the any outfit. Pair it with a jean for a casual day look, or throw it over a dress for a night out the town. Sleek leather dresses have evolved beyond the rebellious image, embracing elegance and femininity. A well-tailored leather dresses can accentuate curves and make a bold statement at formal events. From the mini to maxi lengths, leather dresses offers a versatile range for various occasions, providing the leather can be both powerful and sophistication. Leather skirts and pants during a ping of touch, rock and tall to any ensembles paired with a chic blouse or a casual tee. Leather bottoms strike the perfect balance between polished and daring. The wide array of cuts and styles ensure that every woman can find the perfect fit for her personal style. Beyond clothing, leather accessories such as handbags, boots, and belts providing the finishing touch to an outfit. These timeless additions not complement leather garments but also serve as a statement pieces. When incorporating leather style on an outfit, balance is key. Mixtures pieces with the softer fabrics to create a harmonious ensembles. Experiment with different textures and colors to add depth and interest. Accessories like pearl jewelry or a contrasting scarf and can enhance the overall impact of leather outfit. Women leather outfits continue to stand the test of time, evolving the fashion trend with maintaining their initiate sense of cool sophistication. Whether it's a classic leather jacket, a sleek dresses, or edgy bottoms, the pieces empower women to express their individuality and make a lasting impression. As the fashion continues to evolve, one thing remains certain: the allures of women leather outfit is here to stay. About the leathers, fashion, jackets, and the recorders.